Great Wolf Lodge Foxwoods just opened earlier this spring. Located in Mashantucket, Connecticut, this hotel features the largest indoor water park in New England. There are 7 major slides, all of which are provided by ProSlide. In this video, I will rank the park's top 5 slides. Number 5. River Canyon Run. This is a family raft slide. It features a gradual downhill course. There are no notable drops, but there's a tight spiral of some G's. Then there's a decent chunk of the slide that's illuminated by glyphs and markings, which is a neat aesthetic. Number 4. Forest Flume. This is a fast-paced body slide. It does not have any notable forces, but the sustained speed is great. And despite how quick it is, it remains perfectly smooth in your back. Number 3. Highpaw Holler. This is the other adult body slide, and this one is far more interesting. The start includes some saucer turns, which I've never seen before in a body slide. The second half mixes in some punchy turns, including the last ones that offer some solid G's. I always hit the Rav Troth dizzy from the slide's constant directional changes. Number 2. Rapid Racer. This is a dueling water coaster. 2 troughs run side by side, which gets your competitive juices flowing. The ride does not have the length of the other water coasters out there, but it is nicely paced. There's only one main drop, but it does have a good pop of airtime on the left side at least. Then the following ascent is swift and soaking. If you want more in-depth thoughts about this slide in particular, I have a full review available. And coming at number 1 is Pequad Plunge. This is a wilder family raft slide. The beginning has a funnel section with a steep airtime-filled drop and some turbulent rocking. The middle part has good speed and some light G's and a helix. Then the finale is a large, visually impressive toilet bowl. I like this slide's sheer length and how it feels like 3 different ones combined into one. Those are my 5 favorite water slides at the newest Great Wolf Lodge at Foxwoods. What are your thoughts on this park's attraction lineup? Do you have a favorite slide? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more amusement park and water park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.